Hey guys, this is Joe from Joe Does YouTube, and I've got a quick video for you on how to get DaVinci Resolve to work when you click it and you just get that spinny wheel and it's not doing anything. So guys, if you don't know, I've got a YouTube channel, a gaming channel called Survival Bob. I've got about 20,000 subscribers at this point. But I've, started doing a second channel just to kind of show you guys some of the behind-the-scenes stuff and how I do YouTube over the last year and what I've been able to do to grow the channel. But one of the issues that I've had using DaVinci Resolve is that I'll go in and I'll be working on some video clips and then I'll close it out and go do something else and then come back. And I can't open the damn thing back up. And the only thing I could do was to go into the start menu and restart my computer, which is, not fun. It doesn't take super long, but it's still not fun. But anyway, so here's a quick tip. So if you go to the task manager, what's happening is there is, even though it's showing that nothing's on, there is a DaVinci Resolve is still running somewhere in the background on your computer, which is why it will not open. So you just click on this, in task, it's gone, click on it again, it opens back up, and DaVinci Resolve opens up. Guys, hope that helps you. If it did, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you want to see more about how I've grown my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn about, and I will do my best to show you what has worked for me. This is Joe from Joe Does YouTube, and we will see you next time. Holy crap, what is this? Is this a baby Diplo?
What? Dude, wait, you're not supposed to see stuff from me. I was trying to fix the network.
It's running away. Don't run away.
No,
come here. Follow me. Come to me. It's a little baby Diplo.
Right when the storm's about to happen.
I know, right? We're in like,
oh, dude, it is.
This is like my first one I've ever seen.
Dude, scan him. You
I already
scan
did.
him first, dude.
I already did.
Oh, okay, of course you did.
Come here, buddy.
He's like a baby
I got
one.
you
There
something.
better be a big one somewhere. Oh, dude, I thought he was gonna totally attack you for a second.
Nah, dude.
Oh, dude, you're the man. Yeah.
Oh god, there's a storm coming. I'm gonna freaking die.
Yeah, you better jump off of that thing.
I can't get off of it. Let me off.
I'm taking damage.
Oh god, I'm about to die.